A bouncing baby boy.
I'm bouncing. Okay, hey, let's go. Run, window.
Oh no! Baby!
I didn't know.
We accidentally held him out the window. Throw him some food and water.
Here's a pot.
Here, have some tea, baby.
Chair to sit in.
Here goes in the chair.
You know, is a suitcase.
Keep your things in here, baby. Give him some entertainment.
Try again.
There you go. There you go, baby. Put the TV on this, baby. Give him a mattress to sleep on, Alex.
Sit in the box to sit on.
Build a house. Ow,
Sorry,
Alex, that's murder.
Collateral damage. There we go. I broke all your windows. Oh.
Can't take it anymore.
The show sucks.
Got it.
That baby's friggin' rich now. He's got,
He's got
two TVs.
Battering ram. No.
Some more furniture.
Oh.
Alex, that's not where you put chairs. Here, have this old lady lamp.
And battering ram it out the window.
That's
1, 2, 3.
perfect.
Oh.
Ow.
You can have a chair to sleep on. Another one.
Another chair. Fill the fort. Something wrong with that window.
One more time. Oh. Got it. Go. Tingle. There we go.
You're a tinkle.
Yeah.
And the chair went smashing through the window.
Oh shit. Fine. Oh. Hey. Hey you. Okay.
Ooh, toggle.
Taking your TV.
What if I get bored?
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
It'll distract them.
Yeah.
You're too entertaining.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh god.
Wait. Need to drink.
I need my iced tea.
No.
Shameless product plugging.
Yeah, we're being
Buzz
sponsored.
marketing, some
We're
Snapple.
sponsored by Snapples.
We're not
Yeah.
sponsored per se yet, but we're
We
gonna be endorsing
will be.
them.
Oh!
Ow.
Yeah! Shit. Oh no!
Oh no! My leg! We're
Alright.
waking up in this
We totally didn't
crazy
skip.
sewer. We're too good.
Yeah.
We don't skip. You think we skip? Come fight me. We'll see who skips.
Fight us.
We'll see who
No,
skips.
fight him. I'm weak.
Yeah, fight. Don't fight me either. We'll have someone else fight you for
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
So I got $5 in my wallet. Is that how many thugs does that hire?
Quarter.
A quarter of a thug?
Quarter of a thug.
Oh.
We get his hand. Just slap people with it.
That's good. In arm, right?
Yeah, just,
Okay.
just slap people with it.
Good.
Damn it. Damn it. You have to get through there. And there's no way through.
Look around. Right? Let's figure this out.
Yeah.
Figure it out. We're not gonna Google it. You think
No.
we're gonna Google it? We'll fight you. Idiot 1 was too big of an idiot,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna try to figure this crap out. That's not okay.
Yeah. It's water.
I've never gone that fast in water. What do you want?
Yeah.
Oh god! I'm trying to smash some
Barrels.
oil barrels.
Yeah.
This is very important. I'm lightning speed. We gotta find a wheel of some sort and turn it. Okay. I tried that before. Frick you, Alex. See, this
Yeah.
idiot's got some tricks up his sleeve. I'm drowning, Alex. Help me. I fixed it.
Alright.
Fix the lights.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Fuck! What?
Fight him.
Fight! Take off your shirt first.
Fight.
Yeah. Come at me, bros.